Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I am going to talk about a counseling system mental health to increase self-hope during the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, presented by Sukma Rahmawati. Let's move on to background. Indonesia since 2020 has implemented the work from home to break the chain of transmission of COVID-19. Facing a pandemic because the COVID-19 virus emerged from Wuhan, China. To meet their needs, the constant saturation and the anxiety that comes from being too afraid, of this virus. In fact, mental health is very important for work or even more productivities activities. Because if we are mentally healthy psychically, we can follow activities properly. So maintaining mental health is very important to in order to be able to face the pandemic atmosphere and still have a purpose in life. Okay, methods. Uh, First, study of literature. Literature studies are carried out by collecting relevant information on topics that are the object of research from books, scientific papers, theses, dissertations, and journals. Second, documentation. Documentation is done by analyzing data which looks for facts in stored data. System design method. The design system in mental health counseling use the prototyping method, which is a method of develop information systems by preparing strategies of how to build them. The steps that must be carried out. The prototype methods are as follows. 1. Gather needs. Here, both consumers and developers must jointly identify needs, find an outline of the systems will be made of. 2. Start building prototyping. 3. Prototyping evaluation. 4. System coding. 5. Testing the prototyping system. 6. Evaluation of the prototyping system. 7. Use the system. Okay, but on this idea only stops at the second system. Result: mental health analysis during pandemic. And this is a result of mental health analysis during pandemic. Reporting from the official website of the Indonesian Mental Medicine Specialist Association. Okay, B. Benefit of mental health counseling. Writing edits in this paper is the design of mental health counseling aims to increase life expectancy. Layout of mental health counseling. The counseling mediation was the web because it was flexible and could be visited anywhere and was easy to develop and easy to update. Design with supporting submenus to get various information in it. There are 6 submenus among them. And picture to interface of the counseling service, and this is a counseling sharing session. Okay, this is developing of system. Conclusion. In this paper, it can be concluded as follows. 1. COVID-19 is a virus originating from a bat in Wuhan, China. 2. The impact of a pandemic spreads to all aspects in life, and not only physically but also mentally. The idea of the mental health consultation system is a form of call and help people who feel impacted by this pandemic. Fourth, Implementing this idea requires supporting and response from mental health. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.